Tired of scrambling to pay bills on time and dreading those late fees? Let's make your life easier by setting up recurring payments with Commonwealth Bank so your bills and subscriptions handle themselves. First, open your CommBank app on your smartphone and log in securely once you're on the app's homepage. Locate and tap on the Payments section. This is usually found at the bottom of your screen. Within the Payments menu, you'll want to select Bill Payments. This is where you'll manage all your scheduled transfers for various bills. Now, tap on the Pay a Bill option if you've paid this bill before. You might find it in your list of saved payees. If not, you'll need to add them. To add a new bill, you'll typically need the biller name, biller code, and your unique reference number, all of which can be found on your bill statement. Fill in these details accurately, and then tap Continue. Review the details to ensure they're correct, then tap Save Payee to add them to your list for future payments. Once your payee is saved, you'll be back on the Pay a Bill screen. Select the payee you just added or choose from your existing saved payees. Here, you'll enter the amount you wish to pay. Then, select the Commonwealth Bank account you want the payment to come from. Now, look for the option to set up a recurring payment. Tap on this. This is where the magic happens. Choose the frequency of your payments, circumflex euros, whether it's weekly, fortnightly, monthly, or even a custom schedule. You can also set a start date for your first payment and an end date, if applicable, or choose for it to continue indefinitely. Carefully review all your payment details, including the payee, amount, your chosen account, and the recurring payment schedule. Once you're satisfied, tap Confirm Payment. And that's it. Your recurring payment is now set up. You'll receive a confirmation, and your bills will be paid automatically, on time, every time. Enjoy peace of mind.